In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-frame rendering in After Effects. This feature is crucial for anyone looking to boost their rendering performance by utilizing multiple CPU cores, and it can significantly cut down the time it takes to complete your projects. Let's dive in and explore how you can enable this feature and make the most out of After Effects. First, let's talk about where we begin. If you're using a Windows machine, you need to navigate to the Edit menu and then head over to Preferences. There, you'll find a section called Memory and Performance. For those on a Mac, you'll do the same, but start via the After Effects menu. Once you're in the right place, ensure that multi-frame rendering is turned on. This setting is pivotal as it allows After Effects to use several CPU cores to render frames concurrently, rather than tackling them one by one. By making use of this capability, you can see a remarkable improvement in the efficiency of your workflow. Next, allocating RAM efficiently is vital for After Effects to operate at its best. In the Memory and Performance preferences, adjust the RAM settings to reduce the amount of memory reserved for other applications. The idea here is to ensure that After Effects has ample memory to function smoothly. The more memory you can allocate, the better it will perform, especially during complex and memory-intensive projects. The type and arrangement of your storage also play a significant role in performance. Aim to store your project files, footage, cache, and output on fast storage drives like SSDs or NVMe drives. Moreover, if possible, distribute these responsibilities across different drives. For example, one drive can be dedicated to footage, while another handles output and cache. This separation helps prevent read and write operations from conflicting with each other, speeding up your workflow significantly. Now, let's move on to optimizing your project compositions and effects. Begin by removing any unused layers and trimming hidden layers. Simplifying nested compositions can also help speed things up. Be cautious when using heavy effects such as extreme blurs, 3D layers, or large particle systems. Apply them only when necessary, or wait until your basic animation is complete before adding them in. Using adjustment layers for effects that need to be applied to multiple layers is also wise, as it allows the effect to be calculated just once rather than per layer. Make sure to check that GPU acceleration is enabled where applicable. Go to File, then Project Settings, and Video Rendering and Effects. Enabling GPU or hardware acceleration can notably speed up the rendering process for effects that are optimized for the GPU. If you're working with high-resolution footage, such as 4K or 8K, consider using proxies. These are lower-resolution versions that you can use during editing. This approach can save considerable time when previewing and preparing your edits, reserving full resolution only for the final render. For sections of your project that are already finalized, like background animations or certain visual effects, pre-rendering these as high-quality movies or image sequences can be a game-changer. By importing these pre-rendered files back into your main composition, After Effects won't need to recalculate them, saving additional time. Finally, it's crucial to manage your disk cache effectively. In the Media and Disk Cache preferences, ensure that caching is enabled, set your cache folder to a fast drive, and make sure you have enough free space. Periodically clearing out old or unneeded cache can greatly improve performance. By following these steps, you can really optimize your After Effects setup for a more efficient, hassle-free rendering experience. Happy editing!